Next up is a 5-inch OE aluminum rear shaft repair for a Duramax. I'm thinking it's the 05, 07 to 10 style Duramax, 1410 series both ends. For my customer Terry, I think this is a project truck and somebody's putting together. I don't know what exactly all the situation is, but this is kind of the standard MO for these things. Here's the rear yoke that I took out of it, and I've said this before on vids that pertain to these drive shafts. The truck goes, some distance with the OE U-joints that it came with, and then eventually the one at the rear yoke, this one here, is the one that fails first almost all the time. I mean, I'd say nearly 100% of the time as far as I know. And then the cheaper, lesser quality U-joints get put in, and then it begins. It's just a revolving door changing U-joints. And eventually the caps don't fit good. They have no press fit left because it's aluminum versus steel, and the electrolysis, I mean, you can see it packed in there, that white material around that C-clip. That's the electrolysis. That's the chemical reaction between the aluminum and the steel, and it's just what happens. The brine that they put on the road accelerates the process. So he had another shaft that had a big candy stripe down it, but the end was good, so I took that end off, put that on this tubing. It somehow miraculously didn't get damaged. It does have one little dinger in it right about there, but insignificant. So that's cruising about 2,900 RPM now, and 0 at the rear axle and 0 at the transfer case. And I'm going to say that this is a win. You can see I've shined that up. You got to get these things clean. It's aluminum and it's fussy, and it includes the interior too. I mean, some amount of weird looking material came out of the inside of this, and I don't know if one of the welds was, like the weld down at that end might have been compromised. It did, when I parted the weld out of it, it looked like it had a bad spot in it. So I don't know if it leached in some road brine over the time, or just even rainwater would do it. And this one did weld hard. It gave me fits, and I had that clean, just like you see it, and the yoke that I took off, and I ground it out once and had to re-weld part of it because it acted like it was two different types of material once I got about halfway around. That's really aggravating, and I'm not new at doing this, and I had that thing metal prepped like it should be, and it still got me. So I got it cleaned up and got it ferreted out. I got out all the bad material and re-welded it. But that's just the stuff that can happen when you're dealing with used aluminum drive shafts. It's, every one of them tells its own story, and this one was the same way. But she's good now, and it's 0 at the rear axle, like I said, nobody home, and 0 down there. So we're gonna get I'm gonna take some zinc and put in the C-clip holes, some zinc paint, put in the C-clip holes, and you can see it shined up. So we'll get this back to Terry right away.